We've got this charcoal rolling. It's been going about 25 minutes right now, so it is ready to go. So we are gonna take this barbecue Vortex grate and put right over the top of this. I am gonna go ahead and put the plate right here in the middle. So now we are set up. Got some good looking ribeyes going on today. We're just gonna put these around this outside edge for our indirect portion of the cook. And we have the bottom intake all the way open. We are gonna take the lid, and the top exhaust is gonna be all the way open. We're just gonna get the lid on. And we're gonna check on these in about 20 minutes. These steaks have been on for 30 minutes. So now it is time to get the sear going. So we are now moving to the direct portion. Get that sizzle going, and that is hot right there. So we are gonna let those go for maybe 30 seconds, and then we're gonna flip them. We're just gonna keep these moving. These steaks are actually done. We are just getting our sear now. I like it. We got some sizzling going on there. Whenever them bubbles are going, you know you're getting some good caramelization. This Vortex is throwing out some heat. We're just leaving the lid off right now. So we don't want to keep cooking the steaks. We're just getting them good and seared. All right, these steaks are done. They are looking amazing. We have an awesome sear on these things. These steaks turned out fantastic. Get you a barbecue Vortex where you can be the king of the cul-de-sac, the champion of your family, and the best steak cooker around.